Good evening. This is All India Radio Kohima. I'm Jonas Yanthan with Evening News. And the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flags off 100 kisan drones. Minister for Soil and Water Conservation Kashiho Sangtam loads Langzanger Village for clean election campaign. Advisor Horticulture and Border Affairs Mhathung Yanthan says 1 packhouse and 3 drip irrigation units to be constructed in Changpang area under Wokha. And week-long 50th Angami Sports Meet concludes at Kohima. With the new Omicron variant of coronavirus causing concern, we appeal our listeners to be vigilant and to get fully vaccinated and help others, including children between 15 and 18 years, to get vaccinated. Please continue to follow these 3 simple steps to stay safe. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. And now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off 100 kisan drones in different cities and towns yesterday. Modi said that use of drones will prove to be a game changer in many sectors and termed Kisan Drone a new age revolution. He said this special drive is aimed at helping farmers by giving their produce easy access to the markets. Modi expressed confidence that this will not only open the sky to unlimited possibilities, but it will also prove to be a milestone in the development of drone sector. Highlighting the importance of drones in various fields, the Prime Minister said priority has been given to technology in several policy decisions in this year's budget. Minister for Soil and Water Conservation, Geology and Mining Kashiho Sangtam lauded the Langzanger Village for being the first village in Gifre district and one of the few villages in Nagaland to have successfully implemented the clean election. Addressing the Golden Jubilee celebration of Langzanger Village Council and Langzanger Village Students' Union, which was held on 16th and 17th February at Langzanger Village, Kashiho said what Langzanger Village has done should be an eye-opener and must be emulated by other villages for good governance and all-round development for the growth of society. The minister said when election system is transparent, leaders can focus on development issues and work more efficiently. Kashiho also inaugurated the newly constructed public ground, which was sponsored by him. On the sideline of the program, Langzanger Village Students' Union Library was also inaugurated by SMO District Hospital Gifre, Dr. T.R. Kala Walling. It may be mentioned that Langzanger Village Council was awarded for its clean election by Nagaland government with certificate and cash during cabinet meeting held at Wokha village in Gifre district in 2018, which was handed over by Kiren Rijiju. Advisor Horticulture and Border Affairs Mhathung Yanthan yesterday said Department of Horticulture will construct 1 packhouse and 3 drip irrigation units in Changpang area under Wokha. He was speaking at a Wokha District Planning and Development Board meeting at Changpang. Mhathung said it is a historic event for the people of the area for conducting DPDP meeting at Changpang. He said Changpang block was declared as an aspirational block last year by the state government, considering the socio-economic backwardness of the area. The advisor urged all the departments in the district to give special focus to formulate a plan to implement various developmental activities in this particular area. Chief Secretary of Nagaland J. Alam today said urban development and municipal affairs are very important departments for the state government and carry a huge responsibility on their shoulders. He was speaking at a departmental review meeting with the AHODs and HODs of urban development and municipal affairs. Alam said that with a lot of welfare projects under their supervision, both departments have the opportunity to help the people of the state benefit from their schemes. He also called upon the departments to plan for the future and come up with innovative ideas for the successful implementation of the welfare schemes. This news comes to you from All India Radio, Kohima. You can also listen to this news bulletin on News on Air app and YouTube channel AIR News Kohima. Integrated Communication and Outreach Program cum photo exhibition was held today at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kohima. Principal Director School Education Shanavas C. called upon the students to be responsible citizens, respecting each other's culture and tradition, and encouraged them to follow their passions with full dedication. Head of Office Field Exhibition Officer Sophie said the exhibition was a humble attempt to recall and remember forgotten heroes of our freedom struggle, many of whom might be renowned yet unknown to the new generation. Kripa Foundation yesterday launched advocacy and sensitization program on social network model with stakeholders at Bungro Town. The program was organized by Kripa Foundation, iTech India Path, Insects and Saso. Project Director for Achumung Welfare Society, Kashiho Sangtam, informed that the foundation will start implementing the targeted intervention for injecting drug users at Bungro subdivision from April this year. Stressing on the importance of community participation to reach the targeted section of society, Kashiho urged civil society organizations, churches and stakeholders to actively participate and extend cooperation towards the program for the prevention of HIV and other diseases that permeate the society. He called upon the people of Bungro subdivision and neighboring villages to avail the facility provided by the foundation by dropping in at a drop-in center for the health and well-being of the community. Kashiho informed that full-fledged drop-in center office will be opened in Bungro town very soon. He said the center will cater to interior villages where road connectivity is not available to seek the services provided by the foundation at Bungro town itself. Nagaland reported 15 fresh COVID-19 positive cases in the past 24 hours, increasing the state's total COVID tally to 35,355. 7 of the fresh cases were reported from Dimapur, 4 from Mogokchung, and 1 each from Kohima, Beren and Pek. Meanwhile, total recovery from the infection has gone up to 32,831, with 36 recoveries reported today. Total active COVID-19 case in the state is 295. The week-long sporting event of the 50th Angami Sports Meet concluded at Kohima local ground this evening. Northern Angami Sports Association took the overall group champion with 70 medals, including 27 gold, 31 silver, and 12 bronze. Southern Angami Sports Association stood in second with 31 medals, 11 gold, 10 silver, and 10 bronze, followed by Western Angami Sports Association in third with 7 medals, 3 gold, 1 silver, and 3 bronze. And Chakrama Youth Organization backed 4 medals, 2 golds, 1 silver, and a bronze. Niketolie Belho of NASA and Abino Niho of Sasa emerged as the men's and women's individual champion. On the last day of the sporting meet, Niker Hezo Zenge of Wasa took the first position of the Under-16 Wrestling Championship of the Asa Meet 2022, while Meno Lelie Chupo of NASA in second position. The week-long sporting events witnessed around 500 participants from the sports associations of 4 Angami regions competing in various events like wrestling, athletics, indoor and outdoor games, and others. The closing ceremony was graced by MLA Kreho Lezechu as the guest of honor. And now 20 news, here are the main points again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flags off 100 kisan drones. Minister for Soil and Water Conservation V. Kashiho Sangtam loads Langzanger Village for clean election campaign. Advisor Horticulture and Border Affairs Mhathung Yanthan says 1 packhouse and 3 drip irrigation units to be constructed in Changpang area under Wokha. And week-long 50th Angami Sports Meet concludes at Kohima. That is all we have in this evening news bulletin. Good night.